So, dear students, here I am discussing question number 16, okay, of exercise 6.2 of your standard 12 mathematics based on the concept of increasing and decreasing function. Okay, question number 16 from your NCERT book. And the question number 16 is that prove that the function f is given by fx is equal to log sin x is strictly increasing in the open interval 0 to pi by 2 and strictly decreasing in the open interval pi by 2 to pi. Understand? Prove that the function f is given by fx is equal to log sin x is strictly increasing in the open interval 0 to pi by 2 and strictly decreasing in the interval pi by 2 to pi. Okay, let's see. So, what is the function given? Here the function fx given function is equal to what is given? Log sin x. So, in order to study the increasing and decreasing function, we have to find out the slope of the function by finding the derivative. So, f dash x is equal to derivative of fx, which is derivative log sin x is 1 upon sin x, derivative log x. What is the derivative log x? Is equal to 1 upon x into derivative of sin x is cos x. So, is equal to cos x by sin x is equal to cot x. So, f dash x is equal to what? Cot x. Very simple. Yes or no? Cot x. Cot x. Okay. Now we know that in the interval 0 to pi by 2. Okay. Understand? You see the lies between which quadrant? First quadrant. So, in the first quadrant, cot x is greater than 0. Cot x is greater than 0. That implies f dash x is greater than 0. Since the slope of the function is greater than 0, so students, you know, hence f is, we can write, hence f is strictly increasing yes or no? Strictly increasing in the open interval 0 to pi upon 2. First point understood. Let us come to the second point. And in the second point, we have to check that the function f is strictly decreasing in the interval pi by 2 pi. Okay. Understand? It means in the interval pi upon pi by 2 pi. It means what? That implies the angle x lies between us. Second quadrant. In second quadrant, cot x what? We know that cot x what? Less than 0. Cot x is less than 0. That implies f dash x is less than 0. Since the slope of the function is less than 0, understand? Hence, the function f is strictly what? Strictly decreasing in the interval pi by 2 and pi. This is the second point. Thus, and we get that, hence we get f is strictly increasing in the interval 0 to pi upon 2. Okay, and f is strictly decreasing, understood? Strictly decreasing in the interval what? Pi by 2 and pi. Understand? Very simple. So, whenever you are finding the derivative, increasing and decreasing function, students, first of all you have to find out the slope by finding the derivative. Okay, and after that, and you see in the given interval, you have to check whether the function is increasing or decreasing. If the derivative of the function f dash x is greater than 0, okay, in the domain of the function in that interval 0 to pi by 2, then the function is strictly increasing. All of you know. Okay, and if the domain of the function, for any domain of the function, if the derivative of the function f dash x is less than 0, it means the slope of the function is what? Less than 0, then the function, all of you know, is strictly decreasing. Understand? Thus it is clear that in this given particular question, we prove that the function f is strictly increasing in the interval 0 to pi upon 2, and the function f is strictly decreasing in the interval pi by 2 pi. Okay, understand? Is it clear? Okay, thank you.